ngayon, long drive. 10 hours drive. Sama kayo ngayon. Pupunta tayo ng Eugene, Oregon. Ga-attend tayo ng logging show. So kung last week ipakita ko sa inyo yung World Agri Expo, ngayon logging show naman. So kita-kits tayo mga paps sa Oregon.
Muti yung yung bundok. O yelo.
Paps, good morning. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Eugene, Oregon. Guys, ito yung registration. Guys, yan yung Morse mobile van. Ito ko kayo sa loob ng mobile van namin. Ito yung loob nya, guys. Ito may crimping machine. So ito guys yung cutting machine natin. So dito pinuputol yung mga hoses. At kung kailangan ng skybe, ito skiving. So may mga fittings lang tayo guys. Ito fittings drawer. So may mga fittings tayo, rolls. So meron din tayong mobile cart set up with crimping machine, Manoli brand, and hoses. Easy. So may mga drawer din. So may cutter din.
But yeah, like it's just hope hydraulics. Well, I'm 3 hours out in the woods, you know. I don't want to go back to town.
And it's a long ass drive, and it's a good investment.
No, there's a huge
margin wise. You can, when your cost is like $30, you can sell it for $60.
Yeah.
You're still cheaper than anybody else.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
So help me out. I'll help you out.
Like that.
Yeah. You know, it's a win-win. But
No, it's a way simpler way of doing it.
yeah.
So
Yeah, you make your customer like us. That'll be your customer service. Oh, by the way, the reason why I brought this up is because this one is a logging hose. It got a Kevlar in it.
oh shit.
So rubber, Kevlar, rubber, and then wire. So that's why we call this a Forest Master hose, and they're very flexible.
This is what if you're familiar with Miller Timber.
Yep.
That's the one that they use on the processor.
On the Ponce.
How much more is something?
Yo, shoutout nga pala sa mga tropa ko dyan, oh. Shot na tayo.
Boom! Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Yep. I really appreciate your feedback. And for Pure Specific is our 100% customer. They do like $500,000 with us every year. This one as well, it's all manually as well.
We found this equipment just using this probably.
Oh, they bought one of these. So Eric did. Yeah. So
I like the setup. It's better than our setup when I got there.
that will help you out. Yes, sir.
So guys, palipad muna tayo ng Paro-Paro B.
Paro G.
Okay, okay.
Paro G.
Baka...
Paro G.
Okay, okay.
Paro.
Para makita natin yung buong mga equipment.
Yay!
Yo, shoutout nga pala sa mga tropa ko dyan, no? Shot na tayo. So before it was like a whole room, hydraulic hoses and fittings, and then we were able to transfer it to this. So this is what's cool, because do you guys have any Caterpillar, and you guys are familiar with code 61 and 62, right? So what I have here is a code 61. You put the spacer in, it becomes, well, this is Caterpillar now. Caterpillar. So if it's a code 61, somehow you put the spacer in, and it becomes code 62. Yeah, the thickness, because usually Caterpillar is more thicker. Yeah.
So we got one fitting, and
One
you got
fitting.
a bunch of these.
Yes. So all you have to stock is code 61, then you have the spacer, becomes code 62, and Caterpillar.
That's pretty cool. Because we're always measuring this, and we got to get.
Then here you can have the rest of your fittings, like GIC, flat face, PT, code 61, ESP. No, I don't have the finish. This is how it finish. Here, you get 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, this is 8. So since it's a one piece, it's not too much inventory. Because if it's like, or like a one piece fittings, then there's more. Yeah.
Paps, dito na tayo ngayon sa sa logging shoe. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga iba't ibang mga heavy equipment para sa logging. Ito yung mga taga Morso.
Hello guys, shout out sa mga nanonood. Sponsor by Corner.
Ano? Guys, so pati mga puno talagang dinala dito sa logging shoe. Ito. Ano to? Ang laki ng na to. Laki ng Komatsu to. Gulong pa lang mataas pa sa akin, no? Guys, gulong pa lang mataas pa sa akin, no? Ganda lang ako dito, laki guys, ano? Ang laki ng gulong. Yung yan Komatsu, yan. Ano yung tawag dyan? Pang clamp ng truso yata yan, kasama ko pa ngayon dito si Mark Bin.
Hello guys.
From Portland yan. Ito si kasama ko din si Toto.
What's up boys?
Yeah, shout out mo naman yung mga tropa natin.
Shout out mo naman yung taga Manapla dyan
Mga taga Manapla? Yung mga taga Morse doon sa...
Taga Morse Bacolod, Morse Cebu, Morse Romar.
Troso. Dinala talaga nila dito yung mga troso, Oh, Hitachi. Laki din ng ano na to, ng Hitachi na to. Oh. Laki. Oh, may Graco. Ito na yung ano, in-install ni ano to, ni Ramis at saka ni ano, ni Mark Bin. Oh. Ayos. Mga teknisyan ng mga Morse ang nag-install niya, no? Mga guys. Yan. Yan, okay. Iba't ibang mga equipment sa ano, gamit sa logging. Ano? Pang buhat ng truso.
Yeah, we're over by all the yellow tiger cats.
Guys, iba't ibang klase ng pang ano ng troso.
Yeah, so what I was saying is
Okay, guys, laki ng drone, oh. Yan, oh. Oh, laki ng drone, oh. Laki ng drone na yan, Miga. Si Kamins, may boat din dito, oh. Shout out pala dyan kay Paring J sa Simirara Kamins. Guys, uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo. Yan. Thank you more sa sponsor. Hello mga paps. Tapos na nga pala yung show ng event sa logging show sa Oregon. So, uwi na tayo ng California. So, another 8 hours na naman tayong long drive. Guys, gusto ko pala magpasalamat sa mga boss ko dyan. Shout out sa inyo. Pauwi na rin kayo ng Kent, Washington. So thank you sa pag-invite nyo sa akin dito sa event na to, sa logging show. Maraming salamat po. Si Ritz, Maman, thank you. So guys, hanggang dito lang tayo. Thank you sa panonood. At dyan sa mga bago pa lang na nakapanood ng aking channel, ng mga videos, don't forget to like. At siyempre, subscribe nyo na rin. Thank you, thank you.